Okay, guys, as you can see, the testing has been very well. You see here over here, well, the system, the visual imbalance just caught this reversal here. As you can see, exactly to the tick, high frequency traders buying the low here. So it's very visual, guys. It's very visual. You see the high frequency traders sold it here, and it reversed. Buyers tried to continue, but they couldn't. So we see high frequency traders all over the place pushing the market up. Okay, so you see another one here. Okay, that take momentum to the upside in Apple. Okay, so you can here you can buy a an option. Okay, so a weekly option.
Short signal
This is what I
Tesla.
recommend with these guys, the weekly options. This is where you can make a little bit of money, you know, without investing too much, $100, you know. That's the beauty. That's the beauty of the weekly options, that you don't need to, you know, invest a lot of money, and it's not like in futures that, you know, they can drain if you don't get the out of the position.
Short signal Aapl.
You really get stopped out, and if you don't, if everything goes the wrong way and you leave your desk, you know, they will dry your account. So yeah, so it's very difficult. Futures is very different than stocks, and I recommend trading stocks, you know, with options, but the weekly ones. Don't go beyond the big ones, because this system is designed to put money on your pockets, okay, and extra money, and put food on the table. Okay, guys, so don't misunderstand what I'm saying here in these videos. Okay, so you need to be aware of that. You see, you didn't get exit, and you see the support here, I mean the resistance. The market just see the resistance, and we have double resistance here, because the if you see, there's another bar inside this bar, so it's double resistance. So you can expect the market to reverse from here. The ATRs, like always, guys, this is institutional measurement, so it works every day, every single day. And once you get used to it, it's gonna be a money printing machine. Okay, because right now, for example, you say, oh yeah, these guys, you know. But once you start watching the system, using the system day in, day out, you're gonna say, gosh, this thing works. Okay, so that's how you make money, guys. That's how you make money. Okay, you trade when everybody, you know, where buyers and sellers meet. Okay, so that way you can open positions. Okay, so that's all I have to say for today. Markets were incredibly volatile today too. So, but I really like this volatility, because it once it stops more human-like type of trading, it's okay, guys. But you know, if the morning is incredible. These guys, these algos can really demonstrate you to respect the market. These guys, there's is nothing you can, you know, spit on, or you know, just say that you can beat these guys, or no. You need to wait, guys. You need to wait. The system is
Order
very
submit.
straightforward.
Short signal Aapl.
Okay, so you see, if you are above the two ATRs, just go long, guys. Okay, if you are below the ATRs, go short. Okay, so that way you can trade with the institutions. Okay, so the market didn't reverse here; it just decided to break the ATR. Like I always say,
Order
guys,
cancelled.
this is the V pattern. Okay, this is the V pattern. The V pattern, you can see it all day long, guys. This is over here. Go reverses and continues. Okay, so it happens all day long in futures. Over here in the spiders, it just went down. Okay, so okay, guys, so if you're interested in the system, there's the link in the description of the video. You can contact me. I will be happy to send you information. This is the setup that you're gonna receive if you decide to purchase the complete bundle, which I would recommend you do it, because it has all the indicators that we have developed over the years. So this is, you know, it's been tested through years, and hundreds of traders are using this software. So that, that will be it, guys. This is the real deal. Okay, so as you can read the comments, okay, in my videos, you see that traders, real traders, you know, giving speaking of the system that is working very well, they are improving. Okay, so some people even tell me that, where were you 2 or 3 years ago, man? It's, it's tough because losing money, like I say, is not funny. It's tough. It's difficult. Once you lose the money, it goes away. Okay, so I wouldn't recommend you put your own money on the line, guys. You can go to prop firms. You're gonna trade futures. Okay, so I don't think that for options is there a funding company. But with the options, there is the is very good because you can invest little. It's not like you take $2,000 into the futures market. Okay, the futures market, you can lose those $2,000 very quickly because you cannot recoup. You can lose 500, $800 in one trade. Okay, in one trade, if you think that if you have bad habits, for example, you add to a losing position. Okay, that's very difficult because you can lose money, you can lose more money. Okay, so that way I wouldn't recommend doing that. Futures is nothing to sneeze at. It's very difficult, and I prefer that you go to a funding account and a partner and just trade from there. Don't go with your own money. Options, I do believe, because it's very cheap to trade options, especially other type of stocks. Okay, that are cheaper too. These are the main potato guys. This is the QQs and the spiders, or the Apple and the Tesla. These are one of the biggest companies, and we are developing now the chart for the crude oil. Okay, so we've been working on that one, but we're really trying to focus on this ones because I do think that this is what more that the more that people trade. This is what people trade every day, to make money. Okay, so that's how it works. Okay, so we are at lunch in the United States right now, so market still volatile right now. So uh, there it goes, guys. Thanks for watching. If you're interested, like I said before, in the system, you can contact me. There's a link in the description of this video, and I will be happy to send you information. Thanks for watching.